Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a deeper dive into the products that make or break your beauty routine. Today, we're talking about something that's been a game changer for many: the Tarte Amazonian Clay 16-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. If you're in search of a foundation that promises all-day coverage without the fear of touch-ups, this might just be the one. Let's break it down. The Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation claims to deliver full coverage with a matte finish, and it's designed to last up to 16 hours. Sounds impressive, right? But we all know that a foundation is only as good as how it performs on real skin. So let's dig into the details. This foundation comes in a cream formula and is available in multiple shades, with the 32N Medium Neutral being the one I tested. It's ideal for those with medium skin tones that have a balance of warm and cool undertones. What's impressive is that it's formulated to be suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, the idea is to provide coverage without feeling too heavy or cakey. Let's talk about how it feels to apply. Upon first use, I noticed that the consistency is thick but creamy. No surprise, since it's full coverage. It goes on smoothly with a makeup sponge or brush, but I prefer using a brush for this one, as it gives a slightly more airbrushed finish. The foundation blends effortlessly into the skin, but you do need to work quickly as it sets fast, which could be tricky if you're trying to layer up or blend in a rush. In terms of performance, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation does live up to its claim of 16-hour wear. I wore it through a full workday, including an outdoor lunch in the heat, and my skin still looked fresh by the end of the day. The matte finish didn't turn into a greasy mess, which can be a huge issue with other matte foundations. It also didn't feel tight or drying, something I've often experienced with other full coverage formulas. It really gave my skin a smooth, almost velvety texture, which made it look flawless but not overdone. Now let's get into some real-world pros and cons. On the plus side, the coverage is incredibly reliable. It easily covered blemishes, redness, and dark spots without needing a concealer. The formula is also surprisingly lightweight for how full coverage it is, and it didn't settle into fine lines or pores. I also love that it's buildable, so you can add more without it becoming cakey. But no product is perfect. While I didn't experience any irritation, I've read some reviews from those with sensitive skin who felt it was a bit heavy. This might be because of the Amazonian clay, which can have a more mattifying effect. Additionally, if you don't prep your skin properly, you might find that it can emphasize dry patches or texture, so a good moisturizer is a must. As for the value, this foundation is certainly on the higher end, but the 16-hour wear and full coverage make it a solid investment for anyone who's looking for a long-lasting, reliable foundation. The packaging is also well-designed. It's easy to use and mess-free, which I appreciate. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are some great options at a lower price point, such as the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, which offers a similar matte finish and long wear properties. It's a bit lighter on the coverage, but if you're not looking for a full heavy coverage look, it's a great drugstore option. As far as customer support goes, Tarte's reputation for helpfulness is solid. Their online presence is responsive, and they have a generous return policy if the product isn't a perfect match. So, what's the final verdict? Overall, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of long-lasting, full coverage with a matte finish. It's especially great for those with combination to oily skin who struggle with foundations breaking down or becoming too shiny throughout the day. However, if you have dry or sensitive skin, I'd suggest testing it first, as it may need a bit of extra hydration or care to wear comfortably. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep creating honest, real-world beauty reviews. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this foundation, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.